Hey everyone, how's it going? My name is Aline and welcome to this video about the divine locks. So if you're looking for a way to have healthy hair with only natural remedies, then you came to the correct video. Today I will be explaining everything you must know about the divine locks and so much more. So I have some important alerts as well, so make sure you're watching this video until the very end so you don't have any regrets with it afterwards, all right? Guys, divine locks can only be purchased on their official website. So that is the only place on the internet that is allowed to sell the original divine locks. So to make your lives easier, I went to the official website and I copied the link and pasted it below this video in the description box, all right? That way you know you're going to be making a safe purchase without any problems with it afterwards. So, divine locks. Basically, guys, the Divine Locks is a natural hair restoration supplement that works to restore hair and make it healthier and thicker. So if you suffer from hair loss or your hair is too thin and damaged, then that's where the Divine Locks comes in. In its composition is a list of ingredients full of super nutrients that will really help you to optimize your hair. So the Divine Locks is the only supplement in the world designed specifically to loosen your dermal papilla cells. And the Divine Locks will also help you to renew the flow of the vital nutrients to your hair, revitalizing the thick hair. So if you have, tried every single remedy before, I know sometimes people who suffer from hair loss or, hair damages due to coloring or, sometimes blow drying it too much can suffer really bad hair damage. But with the Divine Locks, it can simply help you to restore your hair and give you thicker hair. And also, guys, it's going to really help you out with your papilla cells. So that is really good. The Divine Locks is natural, so there's no side effects and no contradictions to it. And every single ingredient that contains in it were carefully selected to create this formula. So everyone who gave the Divine Locks a chance has had great results with it. You can read people's feedbacks on the official website, of course. But guys, just keep one thing very clear in your minds. Divine Locks is a natural supplement. So by taking it, start taking it today, you won't get results like that overnight. No, but making constant use of it, taking it every single day regularly, not interrupting your treatment, you're going to have great results in just no time, all right? Plus, Divine Locks offers you a 180-day money-back guarantee, so that's really good news because you get to test out this supplement for 180 days. And after 180 days, if you still don't have good results with it or you're unhappy with it, you can have your money back by going to the official website and asking for a refund. And they will give you back every single penny that you have spent, which is really awesome as well. But basically, guys, that is what I wanted to share with you. Those for me, I think, are the most important things that you must know about the Divine Locks. But if you still want to get to know more about it, you can read so much more about it on the official website. The link is just here. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you have enjoyed it. Remember to have a beautiful day and I will see you guys around. Bye.